Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install LaTeX on macOS and run LaTeX code directly from Visual Studio Code and open the PDF preview. First we need to install MacTeX. We are going to click here. We can see it's downloading. Our MacTeX download is done. So after opening, you can see a window like this. After that, continue, agree, install, and your password. It will take some time. So the installation is done. After that, open VSCode. We need to install two extensions. One is LaTeX Workshop, and one is VSCode PDF preview. After that, go to the file, open the terminal, and type LaTeX MK PDF and the file name, the main.tex. Okay, so it's done. We can see a PDF here. So what I do is I split the screen. In one screen I write the code, and in another screen I open the PDF. So now if I edit anything, I can see the change instant here. Like, let's say I remove the sample. So it's removed here. That's it for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you.